Presenting the Nikon D3500 24.2 megapixel digital SLR camera. It uses a CMOS image sensor that ensures focusing is smooth, accurate and fast. Coupled with the Expeed 4 image processor, the camera enables you to capture high-quality photographs in Full HD. Capturing moving objects is easy with the camera's 11-point autofocus system that seamlessly maintains focus. It comes with a 3.0-inch LCD screen and offers Full HD video recording. Its ISO 100 to ISO 25600 sensitivity range allows you to capture high-quality photography in a wide range of lighting conditions. The user-friendly camera comes with auto mode and guide mode, where you can follow simple on-screen guidance to capture images. This camera comes with connectivity options like Wi-Fi, NFC and Bluetooth to transfer your images and videos. This camera comes with lens, 16 GB memory card, carry case and camera bag. The camera is available for purchase with 18 to 55mm and 70 to 300mm lens. This Nikon D3500 comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail the EMI option. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.